simple installment or a simple project for electricity. First, I'm going to show you the component for this project. This is the lamp, the fitting, the terminal, and we have three cables. The switch, and this is MCB, and also the socket. And here we can have a tool for this project. This is screwdriver and strapper, and also we have pliers. Okay, well, we are going to show you how to make the simple installment. First, start from the terminal. We have three cable. The color is red, blue, and yellow. If we want to get the source of main electricity from the junction or from the terminal, we connect to the MCB, and then we have the main source of line cable, from electricity. We connect to the switch and to the shock, and then from the shock we have three cables here. Please pay attention. Yeah, from the shock, yeah, connects to the junction for the blue, and also this is the ground cable to the junction. Okay, so we can connect from the source to the component we have. And for the lamp we have two cables, first blue and red. Blue to the junction or to the terminal, and the red to the switch, because we want to make the lamp off and on. Okay everyone, this is the simple procedure how to make a simple project. Thank you very much for watching, and see you again.